would have. Wasn't bad, but
I was telling Todd, I haven't had a chance to go back and look through it yet to see where I went wrong on stuff.
I don't know. I felt good while I was taking it, but
yeah.
Cool.
So apparently we have a. I didn't realize the final project was the group final project.
I haven't even looked at it.
Yeah, apparently that's open as of this week.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at it yet either. I didn't know if it was alone or together.
Yeah, I hadn't. I saw his email he sent or his announcement he sent, and then it's part of the checklist stuff for this week.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'd say probably just between now and when we meet on Wednesday, just take a look, because I guess we have to do a project together. We have to design the study and all that stuff. So
Okay.
just kind of take a look at the stuff, the checklist stuff for this week, and then we can kind of chat about it on Wednesday. And I guess we have to submit an idea for approval for a project. So that's, I guess, what's coming here the next last. What do we have? Like 6 weeks left, something like that. 7 weeks.
That.
Yeah. So we have, I guess, what, 2 tests and the project left. So, you know what I was kind of annoyed about with this test was it made it seem like it was going to be just going over the stuff we did during the unit, but then it incorporated stuff from before also.
I know.
And that's what I felt, at least. I felt like some of the stuff that it brought back was from before, and I didn't realize that it was going to be cumulative. I thought it was just the stuff we were doing from the unit.
Yeah.
But
no, I felt the same thing.
Oh well. All right. Did you guys get a chance to look at this stuff for this week?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Probabilities and.
No. Yeah.
I guess the biggest thing is figuring out what allows us to do a probability test here.
Mm-hmm.
The what is it, number, the probability times the sample size being greater than or equal to 10.
Yeah, and then what? Minus the -1 and -1.
Yeah, n-1, or no. 1 minus the probability.
1 minus p. Yeah.
Yeah, and then that has to be greater than or equal to 10. So that's just, I guess, the big difference when we're determining whether or not we can use the probability sample stuff. You just want to pull the quiz and go through it?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Just a second, sorry.
That's fine.
Hi. For FHE? No. I don't know where it is though. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm ready.
You're all right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. In a pie chart, why are the slices sectors different sizes? The size each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category.
Yep.
Yes.
The other 3 are just wrong. Pie charts are more visually appealing when the slices are different sizes. I mean, I guess that could be true. Let's see. All right. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related? Pareto charts are constructed from tossing a coin. No. They're identical. No. The only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart is the bars in the Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest, going from left to right.
Yeah.
What'd you say you cut out?
I was just saying there's more questions on this quiz.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Use the following information for the next 3 questions. Conclude that P is normally distributed if n greater than or equal to 10. Okay. Is P the true proportion or sample proportion? The true proportion. Wait. Yes. True proportion. Are we go with true proportion?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What is n? Sample size. All right. If P is 1/4, what is the smallest n that satisfies the requirement?
So P is 1/4.
So whatever, it's gonna be 40. But 40, because basically 40 times a quarter is 10.
Yeah.
And so that's greater than or equal to 10. And then it satisfies the other one because the other equation would be 40 times 0.75 will be greater than 10.
What'd you guys get?
Okay.
Sorry. It's a sample size, right?
For number 6,
Yeah.
yeah, the sample size.
All right. Just making sure.
And then 40.
40 question 7. All right, use the following information to answer the next 2 questions. What is the mean of P? 0.4.
Yeah.
Are we good with that? 0.4?
Yeah.
Okay. What is standard deviation? All right, so standard deviation is hold on. So it is the square root of 0.4. Okay. 0.4. Root. Okay, I got standard deviation of 0.004.
I got 0.1.
Let's see. So you did.
So I did.
You get 0.1 or 0.0? Oh, yeah, 0.1. I'm sorry. It is 0.1. I did my math wrong.
Yeah, I got 0.1.
Yeah, it's 0.1.
Okay. 0.1. We good?
Yeah, 0.1's good.
Okay.
All right.
Becca.
10. Use the following information to answer the next 4 questions. Brittany's batting average is 300. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bats. Okay. What is P? Oh,
Sorry about that.
that's okay.
Okay.
Sample probably 0.30, round 2 places. Unless, hold on.
You're on 10, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Is that, I don't know why I don't know how to do it. Is it simple and I'm just overthinking it?
Yeah. Well, the mean of the sample proportion is equal to the population mean, the true population. So this should be 0.30,
Okay.
unless I'm going crazy.
0.30.
Because it has to be around 2 decimal places.
I guess that's why I'm second guessing. I don't know.
Wait, so how did you
I just took. I mean, I took it from the question. It says that p equals 0.3 in the information in the question,
Yeah.
and so the sample probability mean is going to be equal to the true population mean.
Oh, wow.
So it's 0.30.
0.30.
Yeah. The standard deviation.
What is the standard deviation of that? All right. So now we take. I've got 0.046.
That's what I got too.
0.046.
Yeah. Did you get the same thing, Alexis?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the z-score? All right.
Anything weird about the z-score?
Well, here we need to take, so we're doing 0.35 because we're taking the probability that she's going to get essentially 35% in her next hit. So we'll do 0.35 minus 0.3.
Okay.
And then divide that by the standard deviation.
So z-score is 1.087.
I got 1.091.
That's what I got too.
Okay, let me do it again. So you said it'll be 0.35 minus 0.3.
Yeah.
Divided by 0.046. Right?
Yeah. Because that's the standard deviation.
And what did you say you got?
So here's, I guess here, hold on. 0.05, what does that give you? I worked out, when I did standard deviation, I worked out the full standard deviation without rounding until the very end. Because the 0.046
Oh, that's rounded.
is rounded.
Okay, let me, really quick, let me do this. Okay, what did you say you got?
1.091.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Mm,
And then we put that in the probability applet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, so the next question is, what's the probability she gets at least 35 hits? So we're shading everything underneath the z-score, correct? I'll go with that.
Yeah.
And left the z-score. So I got 0.862 for that.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Okay. All right. If the true population proportion of people who support a political candidate is 52, and as 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest that a candidate is losing the election. Okay. Standard deviation. The true proportion of people who support 0.5. Mm, 5.2. So all right, standard deviation 0.011.
Yeah, that's what I got.
You get the same thing, Alexis?
What did you get?
0.011.
No. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, now I got it. 0.011.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, z-score.
I got negative 1.790.
Right now. Would you get
Negative 1.790.
negative 1.790? That's what you said, right?
Yep.
I was like, it was like I heard the numbers and the negative, and I didn't put it all together. But okay, that's what I got also. Alex, did you get that also?
Almost. Sorry, say what you got one more time.
I got negative 1.790.
Okay. We're good.
You got the same thing? Okay. And then the last question, what is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true population percentage is 0.52? So we're taking everything underneath that z-score, correct?
Underneath the negative 1.
Yeah.
So that's 0.037.
Yeah.
0.037.
Is that what you got, Tyson?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so easy.
All right, let's see.
We missed 2.
With 2.
Yeah, we missed 10 and 13.
I knew that one was too easy then. Okay.
You want to go back and take it slow?
So did we miss 13 because we missed 10?
Yeah.
So what, do you know what the problem is with 10?
Okay. P. What is the okay. Well, I'm guessing if 0.30 is not in it, then it's got to be 0.35.
Here's the formula for bar over P. It's equals X over N. So it would be,
So it's going to be 35 over 100. So it's going to be 0.35.
yeah.
Okay. And then,
I'm going to read
What?
it if you guys want to take it with.
actually, why did we get 13 wrong? Because that should have just been based on the score.
Yeah. And we got the Z
And that was
score right.
So,
We just,
was it supposed to be? Oh, it's everything above 35. Everything above that Z score, not below it, right? Because it's at least 35.
Oh, yeah. Stupid.
That's why. Okay. That's funny. Okay.
All right. Let me go back through here.
I'm retaking it if you guys want to retake it with me.
Okay.
What did we get for 8 again?
For 8?
Yeah.
I have to look. I'm on 7 right now. What is the mean of P? Oh, that's 0.4.
Yeah. I just didn't think it was that easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just when we get to the end, we can just run through the answers before we submit.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be good.
All right.
All right, I'm ready when you guys are.
Me too. Just finished.
Hey, hey. Good dog. All right, -0. Okay, I am ready. All right, so number 3, each slice represents a category.
Yep.
Number 4, the only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart is the bars and the Pareto are ordered.
Yes.
Number 5.
True.
All right, number 5. Sorry. True proportion. 6. Sample size. 7 is 40. 8.4.
Yep.
9.1.
Yep.
10.35.
Yep.
11.046.
046. Yep.
Okay. 12. 1.091.
Yep.
13.138.
Yep.
14.011.
Yep.
15 negative 1.790.
Yep.
And 16.037.
Yep.
Alexis, you go with all those?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Try again here.
We got 100.
All right, sweet.
So that'll help.
Good.
Yeah, I'm like every point and get helps.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. All right, so I guess just between now and Wednesday, just take a look at the end of this, the end of the lesson here, and I guess we gotta just start trying to come up with a problem for our project.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right, well, I'll see you guys on Wednesday.
All right. See you.
Okay. Yeah.
Take it easy.